Hey guys, just thought you would enjoy this. There's a nice moon out there. You can't really see it very well. But if you look up this way, just keep your eyes in the clouds there. Any moment, you'll see what I'm talking about. There you go. That's cloud to cloud lightning, which is pretty cool. Come on, Minnie, go. Away from the road. Sorry, that's my doggy. Gotta love doggies. Ooh, I hear thunder though. Oh, that was cool. It's like cloud to sky lightning, is that what they would call it? I don't even know. I just walked outside and I was like, what was that flash? I let Minnie outside and should see how cute she is. Watch this. Minnie, come on, baby. Come here, baby. Oh, babe girl. Come here. Hi, little monster. Hi, my little monster. Wait. Wait. Me. Hi, little baby. Can't really see very well on the camera. We'll go back to the lightning there. Just having fun, though. She's running around and... Now this storm is really far away. According to the weather app, it's like 20 miles maybe or something. That's a ways. But that lightning is pretty cool. And the way that cloud is, it almost looks like one of a couple of things. It looks, oh, that was cool. Look like almost like a mushroom cloud, or even like a volcano cloud. All the ash that comes straight up from a volcano. That's what it looks like typically. That was cool. And when it sends off the lightning like that, it actually kind of looks like the Tesla coil, which earlier this summer I actually got to go to California, went to Hollywood and checked out the Griffin Observatory, and they had the Tesla coil in there, which they set off once an hour or once every now and then or something, and it basically looks a lot like that when it sends off the lightning forks. But this camera is definitely not picking up very well. That lightning was crazy not far away. It just like shot right across the whole sky, which is really a bad idea to be standing anywhere outside during a storm like that, because it's so concentrated that it does shoot the lightning really far. Well, that was cool. Yeah, I wish you could see the clouds on top of me. I'm gonna get a better camera very soon. Hopefully for my birthday, which is coming up early September. And I can start shooting in 4K. See if we can get any more really good strikes. Just sit here and watch this forever. It's so cool. one more good strike, guys. That doesn't count. I mean, it's cool, but it doesn't count. Oh. Tell you though, there's a lot of major electricity in this storm. I'm almost tempted to get in my car and drive out to it, but I know it'll be out over the ocean before I can get there, so. Oh man, that was cool. So I got to about 12 Mississippi, which typically maybe 12 miles between that and the thunder I heard. So, whoa, man, that was so cool. Oh man, when the lightning shines like that, you can see the cloud. You can see exactly what it is that I'm talking about there. So awesome. Come here, Minnie. Come here. Hey, come here, baby. Come here. Sit. Stay. Good girl. She's a cutie patootie. Her name is Minnie. And everyone thinks she's a boy. Hey. Sit. Hey, Minnie. Sit. Come here. Stop. Wait. Say hello. Say hello. Now 5. Yeah, other side. Good girl. Alright guys, whoa man, let's wait for one more good sky snake. That's what we'll wait for, and then I'll end the video, guys. It's getting closer. And you know what's funny is when it hits the Gulf of Mexico, which is right in my backyard, it literally just it either dissipates or it flips around and hits the house. Stronger. Hey, get over here. Little wandering dog. She likes to wander onto the road. I'm gonna start wandering towards the house. Let's hope for something good. Alright guys, I left my front door open. Alright, one more. I'm getting eaten alive by these no-see-ums, which are like micro mosquitoes. And they sure can bite. And let me tell you, it's like the bite with them is just as bad as a regular mosquito, even though they're so tiny. All right, come on, Minnie, let's go inside, dude. All right, here we go. My plant's out front. All right, it's a bit of a mess in here, so apologize, but here we go. All right, working on the pool, and that's my new rocking chair that I just restored. I actually made the seat cushions and painted it and redid all the bolts and screws inside of it. Underneath the chair, you can see that I actually made a new chair pad and everything for it, and it turned out really well. So, I think what I'll do is I'm gonna have a sit down and a relax. Right, Minnie? Come here, baby. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Minnie, come here. Sit. Stop. Sit. Lay down. Play dead. Play dead. Come on. Play dead. Alright guys, you gotta like the video just for that alone. Okay. Come here. Say subscribe. Say subscribe. Bye.